In the global ESD vinyl flooring market, Chinese products are dominant for OEM and custom brands. ESD flooring Chinese manufacturer Y.H.F Floors Company maintain high-quality standards. The anti-static PVC flooring production process has advanced technology and strict control. Every step from raw material selection to finishing is monitored. For OEM clients, ESD Control Flooring Chinese supplier Y.H.F Floors Company offers a smooth manufacturing process. We can produce anti-static vinyl flooring tiles according to specific requirements, including customizing size and color. For custom brands, Chinese factory Y.H.F Floors Company that manufactures anti-static PVC flooring provide unique solutions. We work with brand owners to understand their needs. Customization includes patterns, colors, and packaging. Made in China ESD static flooring is cost-effective. Efficient processes, large-scale production, and optimized supply chains allow for competitive prices. This benefits OEMs and custom brands by reducing costs and adding value. Chinese ESD flooring producer Y.H.F Floors Company have a good global reputation for reliable products and great service.